everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris, so if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the new Glamlite Cosmetics pizza inspired lashes. They came out with 5 different kinds, different styles, and we're going to talk about every single one of them. Now, I did not receive this in PR. I am an affiliate with the company. Being an affiliate and being on the PR list are 2 very different things. I paid for these with my own coin, and yes, of course, I did use my discount code because I wanted to save money. Who doesn't like saving money? So if you really like these by the end of this video and you want to purchase them, you can use my code if you want to, but you don't have to. You can go ahead and pay a normal price for them. Doesn't matter, totally up to you. They are currently sold out on the website, but I'm pretty sure she is going to restock them, so it's only a matter of time. But before we get into anything, it's totally up to you. If you want, you can hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you know when I come out with more videos. Alright guys, so here are the beautiful lashes. We have Margarita, Sicilian, Brooklyn Style, Chicago Deep Dish, and Hawaiian. Okay guys, so let's talk about the packaging. The packaging, I mean, come on. It's 10 out of 10. This is so creative, so innovative. It literally is a slice of pizza. It's really, really hefty. It's not cheapy, so this is something that you can keep. Now, I know the shape is not ideal in terms of other lash brands and what they use. However, I personally love it because it's pizza. If you're not a fan about the shape in terms of storing it, a quick solution to that might be getting a lash book. I store a lot of my lashes in there, and it's a nice solution to not have so many different lash packs. So if you're not a fan of the packaging, that could be a quick, easy fix. But I personally love the packaging. It's just so much fun. Now, on the back of every box, it says, indulge in gorgeous, full, and voluminous lashes. Every glam lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of silk. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. Now, when the box says that it is silky, it is silky. These are so silky soft. It definitely does give a 3D effect, and it looks layered, but it's not heavy. And by layered, I mean some lashes come layered. Like, it'll look stacked on top of each other. Like, you have one lash down here and another one up here and look something like that. But these aren't that heavy, and yet they aren't lacking either. They are synthetic. These are not mink lashes. Synthetic lashes has a way of looking more shiny. Mink looks more natural, like natural hair. However, I will say that these right here are not super shiny like the way you would expect the synthetic ones to look. It's almost feel like I have a mink lash because the quality is just so amazing. It's soft, it's not super shiny, plus it's super affordable. It's not going to cost you $30. Speaking of cost, each of these costs $12. Now, I'm using Margarita as an example, but the inside looks like this. On the top it says, what's your favorite topping? It has different toppings for pizza, cheese, mushroom, bacon, pepperoni, etc. And then you have the lashes, which is removable. So on the back it does have a little slice of pizza, which I think is really cute. Or you could just leave it right in there. But yes, here are the lashes. They are nice and cozy and safe. That's magnetic. Like, it's a nice firm closure. Now, I do really like the variety of styles in this collection. You have some that are really dramatic and some that are not so dramatic, a little bit more on the wispier side. And then some of them, when you have it on your eye, it looks like it's a more soft look, while there are some that looks super hardcore, like you're about to go out with your girls tonight and you're about to shut down anybody who tries to holla. The lashes have a wear time of about 15 times. Now, for me, I know that I can actually expand that wear time because I take very good care of my lashes. I could probably use these about 20 times versus the 15. And honestly, what I do is when I take them off at the end of the day, I take off the adhesive too, either with my fingers or with a tweezer. And what that does is the next time I go to take those lashes, there's a clean slate instead of putting more adhesive on and more adhesive on, and you're just building on that adhesive. So when you finally clean it and take it off, you're actually at a higher risk of destroying that band. So I like to do it as soon as I take it off. I clean it and it lasts way longer. The Chicago Deep Dish lashes are the ones that I'm actually wearing right now. They are super duper comfortable. Now, I will say that I didn't even bother to size it to my eye just yet. These are just a little bit big for my eyes. I was just so excited that I wanted to just put it on. But when I'm done with this video, I am going to take them off and just cut off a little piece. It's a long band, so you might have to size it so that the eyelash is not poking in your eye or extended too far out. Now this isn't a thin band lash, and I personally do enjoy using thicker band lashes. I just find it easier for me to apply it on my eyes with, and also it kind of gives the illusion that you have eyeliner on already when you just put on the lash, which you guys will see in a little bit. I will show you guys how each lash looks on my eyes so that you can get an idea of how it might look on yours. I like dramatic lashes, but if it's too much and I can't see my eyeshadow look, then what's the point of that? Now for every single lash across the board, the band is very flexible. And just to show you guys what I mean in terms of a flexible band, look at this. With ease flexible. The lashes are also pretty durable, which is also great in terms of how long it'll last for. All of the lashes in the line, by the way, are all cruelty-free and vegan. I think these look very elegant and beautiful and flirty, so I really do love the Chicago Deep Dish lashes. Next up we have the Margarita lashes. They look like this. They are super full. The band, like I said, is thick and it is really wide. Next one up is Hawaiian, and it looks like this. So the inner corner of your eye is more in while the outer corner fans out. This one is also more on the wispier side compared to the Chicago Deep Dish ones. Next one up is Sicilian. The design of this one is very unique. You have long lash, then short lash, long lash, then short lash pattern throughout the lash, and at the end is more long lashes. So it does give a spiky, edgier effect. And the last one up is Brooklyn Style. Brooklyn Style is more on the dramatic side. Not as dramatic as Chicago Deep Dish, but the lashes are much longer and they are nice and full. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys each one of these lashes on my eye. I did one eye only because I wanted you guys to see the effect of how one of my eyes looked with absolutely nothing, and then the other eye with just a lash. Just adding the lash completely transformed my eye, and I want you guys to see that difference. Okay guys, so which one of the lashes are your favorite? What type of style do you normally gravitate to? Are you a dramatic, thick girl lash, or are you more on the wispy side, a soft look? Let me know down below. Remember, these are out of stock right now. When it does come back in stock, I will put the update down below in the description box and in the comments. Well, that's it. I think I talked way too much, but I wanted to give you guys all the information I knew about the lashes. If you have any questions that I might have missed, let me know down below. It's my first time doing a lash review, so you can go ahead and drop any question down below. You guys know I love to chit chat with you guys and go back and forth and talk about pretty much anything. So I'll see you guys in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.